Hi, welcome to Moss Models and Mistakes. Had a big mistake today. I thought I'd report on it. I just really messed up the body in a big way. It's all paint and stuff, and I know I can probably strip it all down, but I've ordered another model kit so I can get the body out of it so that it's not. I can start out fresh. This is my first time doing this kind of stuff like this, and it's a learning experience because I have this habit of, oh, I think I can do this. If I do this, it'll be better. One better kind of thing, and that one better is probably should have left stuck up here somewhere. Anyway, it just one whole side is kind of chunky, and I tried to sand it down, and then I just thought, I'll start working on the other part of the models and I'll just order the kit again. It's not very expensive. So that's what's happened. And anyway, I just wanted to keep everybody up to date. Trucking along, still happy. Well, I'm very happy just to have models to build. They're going to come out however they come out. And I'm going to do my best. But my goal is to, after I do my best on this one, I will actually do my best on the next one, and the next one will be better. And I think that's how everybody gets along. Anyway, I just like being part of this community, and the quality of the models and everything, I just hope some of that stuff is being absorbed. I put my television on in my bedroom, and it's just on whatever channel I can get. Sometimes it's HPI Guy, whatever I can get, but whatever I put it on and I go to sleep to, it's on all the time. I'm hoping that something seeps in somewhere, and actually, that's usually what I do during the day is I have it on while I'm doing other things, and then I check through. If it's something I don't think I've seen before, I'll go and give it a like, and subscribe. I mean, that's all you got to do. It doesn't take much. Please do that here, but well, there you go. I'm looking at. Let's see, model car videos, throttle power, Scott on tape. I don't know Scott on tape. Anyway, but those two model car videos, I watch them all the time. Those are binge watchable things. You guys know all the binge watchable stuff. Glenn's models and Frank's model cars, and my goodness, I got a lot on the tip of my tongue. Anyhow, I just wanted to update people, just to let you know where I was at, and now you know what to expect from me, and it's just not an unusual thing. I've never built anything that didn't have something wrong with it, but in this perfect world, I'm the star. Okay, that meant nothing. Yeah, forget it. Take care. Bye.